Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chk bsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c : then hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib c : /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.